Hello friends. Today the tablet computer TeslaST is being repaired. As far as I understand, this is a Chinese tablet and computer in one. A keyboard is also connected to it. Here you need to replace the battery. The owner said the battery swelled and squeezed out the case. He tried to change it himself but does not know how to do it. The owner has already unscrewed the screws. The battery consists of two batteries that seem to be connected in series. The voltage on the battery is written as 8.7 volts. As the customer said, the battery swelled and squeezed out the lid. The customer disassembled the case and pierced the swollen battery. Then the air came out of it and now the battery practically does not hold a charge. It looks like Windows is installed here. Now I will disconnect the battery and disassemble it. Let's get to work. Now I need to remember the location and polarity of the battery. Now I will determine where the plus and minus are so that when I install a new battery I do not make a mistake and do not short circuit the battery. On the left is a plus and on the right is a minus. On the second battery it is the same. The batteries are connected in series and thus the voltage is doubled by 3.7 volts. I will take a marker and mark where the plus and minus are for quick installation of new batteries. So I will not get confused with the polarity. Now I need to find two batteries with approximately the same characteristics and sizes. I will remove the remaining metal parts with a Dremel for a perfectly smooth surface. New batteries arrived. They are a bit longer than the original ones, but there is quite a lot of space in the tablet, so they will fit in here without any problems. I took batteries of 4000 mAh. Next, you need to remove the battery charge controller from the battery because they will have one charge controller for two batteries. I also need to tear off the welded busbar and weld it to another controller. Now we need to observe the polarity. Let me weld the first battery. One battery is ready. Now we need the second one. The battery is ready. Let's install it. Now you need to apply double-sided tape to the battery and stick it to the tablet. Now, as you can see, everything works, but I had to disassemble the battery again and charge each one separately, since one was very discharged and the tablet did not turn on. After charging both batteries, the tablet worked. When assembling the case, the magnets stick and do not allow the tablet to close correctly. You need to glue them to the cover. I glued the magnets, and now the tablet should assemble without problems. The tablet takes quite a long time to turn on. First, the red indicator lights up, and after a couple of minutes only it turns on. While it turns on, I'll tighten the screws. Looks like the owner lost one screw. I'll take one of my screws now. As you can see, the tablet has turned on. Let's try to put the tablet on charge and check if the battery is charging. As you can see, the battery charging current is normal and the readings are normal. I think this is where the video ends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos. And for those who want to donate, the link is in the description. See you in the next videos.